Let's check in on your first alert weather right now with the chief because, Scott, we had gorgeous weather for the past few days. We've been talking a lot about it, but a weather alert in place for tomorrow.
Yeah, and it's because of the dry line, Doug and Nicole. So the dry line developing, the storms developing, the alert is for the later afternoon hours, then into the evening hours. And that's what we're tracking the next couple of days. On top of that, warm temperatures, 85 tomorrow, precip chance 30% going up to 40% as the storms will make their way west-east. So some of those strong to possibly severe, large hail and damaging winds, the biggest threat. And then by Friday, we get pretty hot for us, temperatures in the mid-90s. As you take a look at the first alert futurecast through tonight into tomorrow morning, you're going to notice more cloud cover to start out the day, the moisture content increasing in the atmosphere. And then as we go through the late morning hours, already this forecast model a bit aggressive with these storms that are popping up, but it is showing that we could see some of the storms developing along the dry line out to the west, weakening as they make their way west to east. Here we are near about 1 o'clock, some scattered showers around parts of the metroplex, but then I'm turning our attention further down towards the south and the west, starting to see some more storms developing along the dry line, lifting their way from the southwest to the northeast. By 3, 4, 5 o'clock, seeing some of those trying to work their way into parts of the 35 corridor, and with them maybe some large hail and maybe some damaging wind gusts, a lot of lightning, and at times some heavy rain on the roadways. Here we are 6 to 7 o'clock. A lot of that activity then starting to weaken even more as it makes its way west to east, and then that continues to shift its way eastward, and then we taper off as we then go through the evening hours for tomorrow night. So the highest risk for severe storms, 35 corridor west of that, and then as I mentioned, as the storms are going to be making their way west east, they should be weakening through the 35 corridor as we go into the evening hours, and then any rain that's holding together will be isolated the further east it goes. So I talked about the hail threat. It's there. 15% chance of seeing some hail up to the size of a quarter or larger than that in this kind of pink shaded area. But this area that has these lines in it, the hatched area, there's a 10% chance or greater of 2-inch diameter size hail or larger, something we'll keep our eyes on. And that matches up where we do have that slight risk of severe storms for tomorrow. For again, those same threats that I was talking about east of the 35 corridor is that lowest level, the marginal risk. You can see that right now on the first alert satellite and radar combined, the radar is in all clear mode. Still seeing some severe weather in parts of the panhandle right now, also stretching well back to the west where the dry line really has set up. So tonight, not bad after a great day. Today, we're sitting at 70 degrees with our winds out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures right now upper 50s in Gainesville to the lower 70s. So not a bad night, a mild night. Temperatures down into the low 60s. We're at 85 for Thursday. Friday, 95. We remain hot going into the weekend. A chance of showers and storms each day and high temperatures remaining near 90 degrees.